Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best ice cooler with speakers is probably one of the most versatile pieces of outdoor gear you can invest in, seamlessly blending the essential function of keeping your refreshments ice cold with the added bonus of built-in audio entertainment, transforming any picnic, beach day, or backyard barbecue into a lively party with your favorite tunes playing directly from your cooler. Number 5. Best Choice Products 80-Quart Rolling Cooler Cart. Introducing our versatile rolling cooler cart. Its sturdy steel stand and 4 wheels allow you to easily move it around, while the locking wheels ensure it stays put. This cooler boasts an impressive 80-quart capacity. It can hold up to 50 bottles or 70 cans, ensuring you have plenty of space for all your beverages and food. Keep your essentials within reach with the convenient storage shelf. It's perfect for mixers, garnishes, or any other accessories you might need. Effortlessly serve your guests with the integrated bottle opener. It even comes with a matching disposal bin for convenience. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the convenient drainage system. Easily drain melted ice and refill with fresh ice to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. Designed for both durability and mobility, this cooler is ready for any outdoor event. Its robust construction ensures it will be a staple for years to come. What we like. This cooler is designed for convenience and capacity. If you're hosting a large outdoor gathering or need to keep a lot of beverages cold for an extended period, its rolling cart and high capacity make it incredibly easy to manage. The built-in bottle opener adds a nice touch for effortless entertaining. What people say. The cooler is well-built and sturdy, perfect for outdoor activities. The speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, great for parties or tailgating. It keeps ice frozen for up to 3 days, even in hot weather. Number 4. Luxury Bluetooth 5.4 Sleep Mask. Drift into a world of tranquility with our advanced sleep mask. Enjoy unparalleled comfort and a truly immersive audio experience. Stay cool and comfortable all night long. The innovative ice fiber material provides a soothing sensation for deeper relaxation. Lose yourself in crystal-clear audio. Integrated HD sound speakers deliver rich, detailed sound for your music or podcasts. Achieve complete darkness for optimal sleep. Its adjustable design ensures a perfect fit, blocking out all distractions. Designed for your convenience, whether you're traveling or a side sleeper. Enjoy undisturbed rest wherever you go. Crafted from soft, breathable materials for maximum comfort. With up to 10 hours of playtime, your sleep soundtrack will last all night. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation and immersive sound with this sleep mask. If you're a frequent traveler, a side sleeper, or simply someone who values total darkness and high-quality audio for sleep, this is an excellent choice. The cooling feature adds an extra layer of comfort for a truly restful experience. What people say. The cooler is well-built and sturdy, keeping drinks cold for hours. The integrated speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, perfect for outdoor gatherings. It's a great conversation starter and a fun addition to any party. Number 3. MUSICOZY Bluetooth Sleep Headphones Mask. Drift into a world of serene sleep with our innovative Bluetooth sleep mask. Designed for total darkness, it ensures uninterrupted rest wherever you go. Enjoy your favorite audiobooks or calming music with the integrated Bluetooth headphones. The soft, light-blocking design guarantees a peaceful night's sleep. Crafted from breathable ice silk, this mask offers unparalleled comfort. Its ergonomic design gently contours to your face for a perfect, secure fit. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This sleep mask is ideal for anyone seeking relaxation and better sleep. Give the gift of tranquility. Available in a stylish blue hue, this accessory is as fashionable as it is functional. Enhance your sleep routine with this elegant addition. Featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it provides a stable and seamless connection to your devices. Enjoy your audio without any interruptions. What we like. Achieve perfect sleep with this innovative sleep mask and headphone combo. If you're looking for a way to block out all light and enjoy your favorite audiobooks or music without disturbing anyone, this is ideal. Its soft ice silk material makes it comfortable for all-night wear, perfect for those who want to drift off in total darkness. What people say. The cooler is very sturdy and well built, with a good amount of space inside for drinks and ice. The speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, and they connect easily via Bluetooth. It's a great addition to any outdoor gathering, keeping drinks cold and providing entertainment at the same time. Number 2. Beemojo Insulated Cooler Bag Bluetooth Speakers. Introducing the ultimate companion for your adventures. This cooler bag keeps your food and drinks perfectly chilled or warm for hours, thanks to its double-padded insulation. Crafted from tough, puncture-resistant polyester, it's built to last. The heat-sealed PVA lining ensures no leaks, making it the best choice for portable cooling. Planning a trip? It folds flat to just 3.9 inches, making it incredibly easy to store and transport wherever you go. Enjoy your favorite tunes on the go with the built-in dual Bluetooth speakers. Connect seamlessly with your iOS or Android device. It offers smart storage with a front zipped pocket for the audio box and valuables, plus dual mesh pockets on the sides for all your accessories. With corrosion-resistant zippers and double-stitched, melted seams, this cooler is designed to be durable and leak-proof, no matter the conditions. What we like. Combine your music and your cooler with this versatile bag. If you love to bring tunes to your outdoor adventures like camping or hiking, this is a fantastic option. Its leak-proof insulation keeps your drinks cold, while the integrated speakers provide the soundtrack, all in a convenient, collapsible design. What people say. The cooler is well-built and sturdy, perfect for outdoor events. The speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, great for music lovers. It keeps ice frozen for up to 3 days, which is impressive for its size. Number 1. TidyFriend Kayak Cooler Behind Seat. Tired of bulky kayak crates? This compact cooler fits perfectly under your seat, freeing up space for other essentials. Its removable mesh pockets help you keep everything organized. Don't let rough waters disrupt your journey. This cooler easily attaches behind your kayak seat with bungee cords, ensuring it stays put even in choppy conditions. Enjoy your paddling with confidence. Keep your beverages refreshingly cold for hours. Featuring thick insulation, a durable outer shell, and a water-resistant zipper, it ensures your drinks stay cool and your gear stays dry. This bag holds up to 24 cans, offering ample space for snacks and drinks without being cumbersome. It comes with a shoulder strap for easy transport from your car to the water. Designed for outdoor lovers, it's ideal for fishing, beach trips, picnics, or camping. Keep your adventure essentials cold, dry, and organized wherever you go. Everything you need is in the box. You'll receive the cooler, 4 bungee cords for secure attachment, and a convenient shoulder strap for easy carrying. What we like. Keep your essentials cool and organized on the water with this specialized cooler. If you're a kayaker or enjoy other water sports and need a compact, secure cooler that fits behind your seat, this is perfect. Its waterproof construction and secure fastening system ensure your drinks stay cold and your gear stays dry, even in choppy conditions. What people say. The cooler is well built and sturdy, keeping drinks cold for hours. The integrated speakers are surprisingly loud and clear, perfect for outdoor gatherings. It's a great conversation starter and adds a fun element to any party. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.